have delivered, and God is good. We have delivered. We have promised a lot of things, and of which, if I'm able to, in maybe a few days, I believe in a few days I will maybe deliver, or people who are watching me, or someone else here in the village, or even my parent can say, well, we can buy some shoe. And also the promises from there, they were so big. And I want to say thank you so much. And this is not the end. We are going to protect everyone who is like wow guys, it's getting dark here in the village. Yeah, so it's getting dark, so we are going to protect everyone who... What's up guys, welcome back. This is Maj_KE, and today a beautiful day, Saturday, here in our village guys. Yeah, I want to say thank you so much for the people who are watching the video till the end, so that you can know what is going on in our village. So kindly, if you watch my videos, watch till the end, because you don't know what the end brings. So guys, the last video I did yesterday, it was a very good video, and it was also about warning anyone that wants to do what? To harm anyone here in the village, and it's not good. And I'm still repeating this: don't try to harm anyone in this village. Don't try to threaten anyone in this village, guys. We are here, and we are stepping out to defend anyone that is getting harmed. So I'm coming live from my my parents' hardware, that is Mabson, guys. So, and also I want to say I'm really grateful, because we met a kid from school, and she was asking for books. She doesn't have books, and guys, we have gotten the books and also pens. Yeah, so guys, we have the books here, and thank you so much for the person who have really gave out the books. God bless you abundantly. So with me here I have my mom, that is village grandma.
Yes, hello guys. I am village grandma here. I thank you very much. Returning subscribers to Maj_KE, keep on subscribing. Road to success.
Yeah.
We love you all. We appreciate whatever you are doing, and God will bless you abundantly. So I want to thank the person who bought the books.
Yeah, you can remove one by one, yes, and
so
also
you can see the books. Maybe you are hiding here, we don't know what it is.
Yeah.
So these are the books: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A4.
A4, yeah.
Yeah, these are very good. She will be very, very happy.
Yeah,
because
and we have also some pens. Yeah.
These ones with her sister have copy notes. She's in grade?
Grade 8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is good. And these are the pens. Yeah, 3.
Yeah.
Very nice one. These ones have good handwriting. Yeah, so I'm very happy. God bless the person who has assisted the girl. So the girl will go far. I saw the video. She wanted to become a nurse.
A nurse, yeah.
Yes. So we pray for her so that her dream can come true. Thank you very much. God bless you. Keep on subscribing.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yes. Yeah, so that is village grandma. You want to call, and here we have Deno.
Hi guys, my name is Dennis. I'm working here at Mabson Hardware. Subscribe to Maj_KE. I thank you for supporting those sheep. How do we call it?
Yeah, supporting the lady and the books and the pens.
Thank you very much to support these books. Will help me. programs, for books, more about. Let's subscribe to Maja KE and continue supporting.
Yeah, thank you so much. So this is
Yes.
one of my good friends, and also she's helping village grandma here at the shop, and he's doing a very nice job here, guys. And maybe one day we can do a video, me and you.
Yes.
Yes, so that we can talk, we can make stories.
Yes.
Yeah. Muita. Yeah, so this is now. Hiki tu ni jembe.
Hiyo ni ile ya pili ishi sasa.
Oh, so guys, that is also where village grandma has welding. So they are trying to like this is a jembe that they like dig with using a tractor, so they are trying to modify it. So yeah, that is so village grandma. Oh, she's on the phone. So guys, we are going to visit the lady who she has been gifted books. So guys, thank you so much, and I really appreciate when we come out, you guys also come out to help us and to help the people who need help in our village, and that is a very good way of doing. As you know me, I'm always here to support anyone who needs help, anyone who needs support. Yeah, I always push on that, even if I don't have, but I will try my best to help where I can. And today I'm so happy guys, because we have really helped a soul out there, someone who needs help. And yeah, especially it's about school, that is very good. So yeah, so people are working here. We have also a friend here who is trying to fix his motorbike, and it's from here work is going on. Muita, how are you? Say hi to my people here, and
Yeah.
what you do, and
But they don't know English.
I speak that small English.
Hi guys, my name is Geoffrey Mwita. I'm here, Upson Hardware. I do something.
Something like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The machine is here.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's a welder man.
Yeah. What do you do? Make gates.
Yeah. Window. Everything. Yeah.
And motorbike also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry,
That's it.
Like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah. So this is Muita.
Yeah.
He's the one in charge of
Winter man.
Muita man.
Yeah.
Yes, the one in charge of this like that. Yeah, ako ndani. Yeah, the one in charge of the welding. So guys, we are going to give the books to the lady. Yeah, so let's move, guys. Yeah, so guys, on my way I met one of my favorite also YouTubers, and guys, it's been long, of course, you know, here and there, but anyway, today we have met, guys, and she's so amazing, beautiful Martha.
Yeah,
How are you?
I think the lighting is
Oh, this side. Yeah.
So hi guys, welcome back to there's a lot of noise.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, welcome back to I Am Maja's YouTube channel, and my name is Batha. It's been long, guys, you know, we were very close with Maja.
We are still close. Yeah.
Each and every day we were on his channel.
Yeah.
But anyway guys, I'm so glad to be back on this channel, and I hope you are all doing amazing. My name is Batha, and we are also content creators. We met Maja on our way to the border town. Yeah, so if you come across me, guys,
Yeah.
kindly go subscribe to Mwita and Batha, and also I have another channel, the Village channel. It's called Batha Africa. So kindly go take me to 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah. So guys, this is Batha,
Yeah.
Mwita and Batha. Go subscribe, guys. Here in the village, Nyabohanse, and it has been. How have you been?
I'm good. You see the way I'm good.
Hey, you are glowing.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
good. Motherhood is taking me good.
Yeah, good.
We are just struggling with the parenting here and there, but everything is amazing.
Yeah.
And you, how is January taking you?
Hey,
The
January is very hard, you know, very much hard. But we are trying our best. And also, you know, yesterday I did a video. Yeah, that's why you can see I'm carrying this like books. I
Go
did
and surprise someone.
not surprised. I was just doing a video and I found a young lady from school here, and she told me she doesn't have books. And now someone decided to give her these
The
books.
books.
Yeah, and and pens and some pens. So we are going to deliver. Have you? How have you been so far?
Yeah, me have
Yeah.
been good. Some challenges here and there, but we are coping up with them.
Yeah.
You know, the other year.
Yeah. Yes. The other year.
You know, the other year it was up and down. Our YouTube channels got
Yeah.
demonetized and
Yeah.
all that. But we just
God is
push
good,
on.
yeah.
God is good.
Yeah.
We are pushing on. Yeah. We want to see if the year now, the way it will end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And guys, remember she delivered last year. But I've never like gone to see her. So I'm planning also
But
for
you
that.
you passed my congratulations to me.
Yeah, exactly. But I have to come, you know. I have to come with gifts. You know, in our culture, like you have to
Go and
go
visit
visit
someone
someone with a gift
Yeah.
before you carry the baby.
The baby.
Yeah, so I'm planning for that, and will come. And congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and God bless you abundantly, and always peace and love and positive
Thank you.
vibes.
Thank you.
Yeah, and we have here wewe kijana
Rivan.
Rivan. How are you?
To Maria.
Yeah, best friend to Marie. How are you, Rivan?
Ambe, I'm
Rivan.
fine.
Yeah, Rivan.
Say I am fine.
You're fine.
Ambe subscribe. My name is Rivan. Angalia camera.
Angalia kamera.
Angalia camera. Mwambie my name is Rivan.
Yeah. So that is Raven. So, and we have here Junior Mwita.
Junior here, guys.
Yeah, I think the light is.
yeah, maybe you can come to-
Yeah, let's see the light here. You know, we are at the roadside, so we have to be careful. Yes.
Yes. Is the light okay?
I think the other side, but anyway, yes.
Maybe it can hold. Yeah. Yes, hello guys. This is Mwita Junior here, and welcome all to Maja_KE. Yeah, so we are here. I'm headed to the border, and I just met my friend here, Maja_KE. Long time, bro. Yeah, since we met. So I'm also a digital content creator. I go by the name Mwita Junior, but we have a family channel by the name Mwita and Batha. Kindly, if you are from our end, go and check Maja out, because I think that channel it's Maja who started it, and we thank God it's growing. Yeah, it's doing well. Yeah, so thank you so much, Maja, for hosting me to this amazing channel. Yeah, so where are you headed?
I'm heading to deliver this.
Yes.
Yeah, I did a video with a lady here.
Yeah.
Who's from school.
Yes.
And people have really come out, that is Kamanja,
Yes.
to support her with the books.
Yes.
And also we have some pens here.
Yeah.
Because she told me she doesn't have books.
Yes.
And also the pens and also the shoe.
Mhm.
So we will look way to also give her the
to give back
shoe.
to the community.
Yes,
You know, that is
exactly.
giving back to the society.
Yeah.
So that is good, bro.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. Let me go to the border.
Yes.
Then we're gonna meet. I don't know at what time we're gonna be free.
Yeah, you know, it's just not even
Some hours.
not even hours.
Few minutes.
Few minutes. Yeah, few minutes call. So thank you, bro.
Okay, welcome, bro. I'm coming.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so guys. Yes. Eh. Oh, she help me here. So no, Raven gave me some things, and she's saying like Uncle Pe. So
Yani
it's
pe,
like
pe.
give me my property. Yes, property. I uncle Santi. No. I'm not lost. I'm just planning myself. You know, in January, but I'm planning. I will talk to the Buga.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, okay, bro. Yes, so Kamanja here.
Hello
also.
guys, what's up? Actually, welcome back to Maja K's channel.
Yeah.
And I'm happy today, like he is hosting me. It's very sun actually, very hot.
Yeah.
Today you can see.
Yes.
And guys, this guy just pumped on me. I was from the field and I was like going to the house.
Yeah.
You can see I have everything here.
Yeah.
My regalia. So it's like I had promised him something and he came up to me and I told him no, let us go. I want to see that young girl.
Yeah.
And actually
Is
I
this actually like
That's so much Samaris.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like
I
our
am
brothers.
Marwas. Yes, I am Marwas to a vehicle.
Yeah.
It has not started like working.
I don't know really, but
I saw Gitiriba in a driving school like
so we are waiting for that, guys. And
Okay.
keep on tuned. Also check on our big brother I am Marwa.
yeah.
And subscribe also if you're from my end you haven't subscribed. I don't know if you're from here and you haven't checked on him. But anyway, guys, okay, we were saying,
Like
you were saying,
I was in the pitch.
yes,
Like I always started morning sessions training
yeah,
at 8 to 9 a.m. till 11.
Yeah.
But before I was like finishing up, Maja showed up and he reminded me that, do you remember that we did a video like there was a young girl who the father is not lame, but the father got injured like in an accident, and we promised that you were gonna pull up something for her. I don't know, no, things are ready. Like how can we go?
yeah,
And guys, I've not gone back to my house. I've not gone. You can see with my green, I have these
Shoes.
shoes, yes, and everything. And I was like, I'm tired, but we must do this, huh?
yeah,
We must do
because
this.
when you promise,
Yeah.
you have to deliver. So guys, I really want to say thank you so much, Kamanza.
Yeah.
You have come out to support a young lady.
Let's keep on moving, huh?
It's just here. Don't worry. So, I really want to say thank you so much for coming out and supporting the lady, and I really appreciate that so much, because you know it's not easy for someone just to come out and also support someone who you don't know, you don't even know her.
Exactly.
Yeah,
You just told me, and I said no.
Yeah.
I can afford some books. I can afford some pens. Like when I came home, my son was like, "Hey, Daddy, I must use one book," and I was like, "No, don't use. I must use one book." So we have some 2 missing books, but all in all,
God
The
is
present
good.
is
We
at
love-
home, eh?
Yeah, present is at home.
Yeah.
And so guys, we want to go and deliver the present here.
It's
I
hot.
think- yeah. It's very, very,
Very,
hot
very
here
hot.
in the village. It's around 12.
shida ni moja.
Yeah, so it's very hot.
Buya.
And yeah, so guys, we're here, and this is fashion. It's kind of a fashion house, or rather tailor house. So I'm here with the child's mom, the child who we are going to deliver the books to. And you can see this is the place that her mom works. You can see the designs here, guys, and coincidence, also a fashionista, you guys know. And maybe we can start, you know, this young lady here, beautiful lady, but maybe today we can start with her mom here so that she can say hi to you guys. And yeah, salimia watu hapa mama.
Nisema Kiswahili.
Sema tu Kiswahili.
Habari zenu? Mko poa? Hata sisi tuko poa. Tuko kwa kasi. Na mimi naitwa Margaret. Mimi ni fundi nguo. Nafanyia hapa kasi.
Wewe ndio mama?
Mimi ndio mama yake Millicent Gat.
Yeah. So guys, she just said that hello guys, how are you doing? Yeah, she's a tailor here in our village. This is Nabwanzi. She's a tailor here in our village, and she does different kinds of clothes, men and women. Unafanya wanaume na? Yeah, men and women. So here is where she's based. So she's Mama Millicent. Mama Millicent. This lady over here, very intelligent. I just met her the other day, my last video, and she was talking to me like she wanted some help. She wanted some books and also some shoe for school. So we just my friend here, Kamanja, a teacher, helped us with books and pens. So we are going to give to her right now today. You know guys, you never know where help comes from. You know, she came out and she said like, I need books, I don't have books. And also after there I came to her mother, I talked to her. Nawambia nilikuja nikakuongelesha. I talked to her and she told me it's true, and the lady just went home and told her mother that she met me, and she was seeking for help, especially books and also school shoes. So for now we have just found the books. We have 5 books here. Maybe we can show them. Yeah, 5 books and 3 pens. Yeah.
Exercise books. We have 200 pages, and we have some 96 and 120 pages.
Yeah.
Some mixed. These are the books actually, like Millicent.
Yeah.
I was touched with your story and everything. Like these are the pens. I know before we break for after, Millicent will be like using blue. These are all blue. We don't have you can come and actually like pick them. These are all yours, and we have promised these 96 pages, and I think this is for mathematics. These are squared book. I don't know if you do well in mathematics. Yes. It's your reference. So I'm gonna be adding you another book for mathematics.
Yeah.
When I'm going to inquire from your teachers, they are good friends of mine. If you are a very good mathematicians, people have been like complaining about mathematicians.
Yes.
Yeah, that is it. And this one, 120 pages. Actually, like you're gonna be writing some writings, composition. You like English or Swahili? Integrated English. You like Swahili also? Yes, I'm a Swahili teacher. So if you let me down, and I'm gonna be like, Millicent, come here. Why are you letting me down in Swahili? So this.
But they will be following up
yes,
for
I want
Millicent.
to be like following up, because this is not the last, the first person I'm finding in Nyabwanse. Somebody who is in need of academics.
Yeah.
Maja, you know my story.
Yeah.
And you know what I've been doing around in terms of transforming people through academics. And when you told me about her, and I never hesitated, I said no. I must meet that young girl and let us discuss how she's going to like go forward. Yeah. So the 200 pages books, we have technology, and technology is changing everything. You know technology. After class 8, grade 8, you are going to grade 9. Grade 9 to senior. Senior. From senior, you might be joining a pathway of science and technology schools, or sports science, or you'll be going to another pathway. But for these ones, I just want you to be like, in the last video, she said,
Nurse.
she wants to be a nurse. Eh?
Yeah.
You see, nurse is biology, chemistry.
You just look like a nurse.
Yeah, you just look like a nurse.
Yeah,
so this
exactly.
one, full of biology. Yes, my good girl, this is full of biology. And I want to be like, I want you to see like you are performing. And we have this one, actually, do maths, most of mathematics. I gave you a mathematics book, but this one actually do a lot of like science related subjects. We have biology, we have chemistry. At grade 8, you do integrated science.
Yes.
Yeah, that is it. But you can, one of those books, just write biology, because that is where you want to go. That is where she is directing us.
Yeah,
to.
yeah, exactly.
And I'll be like, I have my next nurse in the village. That is it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Kamanja.
I'm very happy. I'm very grateful to meet her. And actually, guys, welcome to Maja KE's channel. This is not my channel. It is his channel. And when he hosted me, I told him things concerning education and academics. You see, education changes a lot.
Yeah.
And I was like, let us go to that girl's home. And when you told me that the mother is a tailor, and I'm very happy because like you can see.
Yeah. This is what also I do. Mama, hata mimi nilifanya fashion and design, degree in fashion and design. So najua kushona, najua kuchora hizi ma design zote. Yeah, so I'm just trying to tell her that I know how to like design all of these things.
So like you can see our business actually like this is a village, and maybe our work is to mend.
Yeah, to mend. Yeah,
it's like to mend, like in a day she can mend up to 3 to 4 clothes. Unaweza shona nguo ngapi kwa siku? Like ile mtu amekuletea kupiga kiraka.
Na kasi napiga viraka nini karibu nguo 5 hivi 6.
Nguo 5. Na nguo moja una how much?
Ni kufuatana vile anataka. Kama ni ya 200 ama 100 ama 50 bob. Hiyo tunafanya hata 30 bob.
So kwa siku, before you start like supporting your kids and everything, kwa siku unaweza tengeneza shilingi ngapi?
Ukweli kuna siku naweza toka hata bila kupata chochote.
That is true. And again, guys, I'm asking about what is
in a daily basis.
In a daily basis, what are our expectations? And sometimes she is saying that sometimes she can be here. You see, she's paying rent, and I'm happy for the county government because the husband is a disabled husband.
Yeah.
So
the Indian nani?
There.
Yeah, it's here.
Yes.
The
husband is a disabled husband because he got injured sometimes back long ago, and he cannot like pull up to so many things.
Yeah.
So the county government doesn't need rent from him. Some levies she doesn't pay. But all in all, sometimes she is confessing that she can be out of work without nothing, without anything completely. So you can see this is the business premises.
Yeah.
We have some tables here. These are some fabrics. And
so you're trying to make unatengeneza nguo.
Some African made clothes. These are African. Yeah. And sometimes you remember sometimes like the Ministry of Culture and Heritage wanted like people to go African ways.
Yeah.
And that was Charity Ngiru in the last regime of the government. These are the likes of things that she was like, if it is a shirt, let it be like Africanized.
Copyright hapo.
They are all here. They are very beautiful.
Copyright.
Yes, they are very here. And so Mama Millicent, tuko na furaha sana kuwa na wewe siku ya leo. I'm telling her that we are very happy to host her, and we are very happy actually because she has actually opened up about her husband, about the kid, and actually she has 5 kids. This is the 5th.
The nurse.
Yeah, our nurse is the 5th kid.
Angalia kamera, wacha.
Tunadanganya. Our nurse is the 5th kid. The first kid was from has done away with the high school or level, and he never did well. But they are also looking for a way to help that guy so that he can realize his dreams in life. The girl, the first daughter, mtoto msichana wa kwanza. The msichana wa kwanza aliolewa, and that is one of the biggest challenges we have in the village. Like you hear, her first daughter was married at grade 8, meaning she was a very young girl.
Yeah.
Alikuwa na miaka ngapi?
Alikuwa na 16.
Imagine
16 years guys.
Getting married at the age of 16. Hata mama yake sasa tukimuuliza maybe hakuwa married at that age.
Yeah.
Yes. Like our mother was not even married at that age. But we are going also to dig deep to know why the girl got married at that age, and we will be like knowing, is that marriage working, and is she very happy in that marriage?
Yeah.
Millie.
Yes.
You are our next nurse.
Marriage comes after some 20 plus years from now.
30.
That
20,
yeah. Unaelewana? Yes. Don't be like at a graduate you get married, you know everything. No. I'm gonna be on your neck. So
make sure your dream, what you told me, like you want to be a nurse.
To be a nurse.
Make sure you be a nurse.
To be a nurse.
And we will also chip in to make sure that she's going
to be a nurse needs a lot of your time. First, you read books. So
read a lot of books.
You pass your exams, and then unamulika tu hapo, naambia madhe, mimi ni nurse. So, and and I know God is going to give you that opportunity to become a nurse. So
and you know what? I really like your confidence. You talk, and also
you told me she bumped on you.
Yeah,
on the way. Maja, I'm a great fan.
So she really talks, and I really like your English. And it's just that you don't have that confidence, but your English is very fluent and very good, be confident. That is what I'm telling you. Look at the camera. Very confident. No, don't shy. Look at the camera. So you are very confident. So what do you say to Kamanja? He bought you some books and pens. What do you say? Look at the camera.
Thank you for giving me these books. I will like.
Look at the camera. Don't be shy. You know, I will show you my niece Maria. Maria, yes. Maria, she's very young. I don't know, grade 1 or
grade 1. That is 8 years.
8 years.
Yeah.
7. I think 7 years. And she's very intelligent. She looks at the camera and says,
very confident.
Yeah. So
that is me.
Be confident. Yeah.
Our next nurse.
Say nurse. Yes.
So introduce yourself.
Mine is just to tell you thank you for giving me these books. I don't have much to say, but I wish you all the best in your life.
Wow.
That is it, Millie. And I also wish you, like you attain your dreams. Become my next nurse.
Yes.
Just become my next nurse. I'll be very happy.
Yeah.
Yes. You see, in this life, guys, we are not fighting for like what can we do, but when you transform, when you impact on lives, that is what we like looking for.
Yeah,
that is it. So Mama Millicent, inakuwa hivyo. So like in Nyabwanse, actually, like I've been telling Maja, in Nyabwanse I have so many kids that depend on
including me. Sports, that
from
is
sports.
football.
Wale watu ni wa sports too, but they are ni wengi
ni wengi na
Sometimes even my kid is sent home
And
to
like
collect fee, and some other parents' kid is in school just because of me. And my wife's like, why? Your kid is at home and somebody's kid is in school. I don't no. That's the way I've chosen.
Yeah.
And
Exactly.
we don't do this because we have money. Hatuna pesa. But it's because we have ways to
Yeah.
help. Unapata kuna pathway, like kama kuna pesa imekuja isaidie mtoto maskini. Like to be poor is, you don't choose to be poor.
Yeah.
Actually.
And God can also choose someone who is poor to
Yes.
help someone
who is also
who
poor.
needs help.
Yeah.
So I always say where we touch we leave a mark, guys, and we have touched the hands of our nurse here.
Yes.
And we are leaving a mark. I will see you being a nurse and a very big nurse in this village.
Do you know how many years do you have to become a nurse? Tell me. You are in grade 8. Grade 9 is calling. So grade 9 you go to senior for 3 years. After 3 years you'll be now becoming a nurse, a full-fledged nurse. So from now I'm counting 7 good years to meet my next nurse in the village, Millicent Guards.
And you have your own
Like when I'll be sick,
hospital,
like my son is sick and I'm also sick. Kamanja, njoo lazima lazima unitibu mama. Sawa, do nursing needs a lot.
And
what we brought to
and I want to say this is not the end of
this is not
what
the
we
end.
are
Maybe,
trying to
Mama,
help her.
I'm going to
This
give
is
you
just
with my number, Maja's number. Like ukiwa na any problem, like let
about
us know,
schooling,
like, like so long as you are schooling, like you need a textbook for biology, you want to learn more biology, you want to write so many things, just meet me. Enda uliza watu pale shuleni ule Kamanja anapatikana wapi. Sawa? You are going to find me and I'm gonna be like ready to provide. These are things that I can provide free. And I have things that I cannot provide.
Exactly.
For things that deals with education and academics, guys, that's where I do. Because education changes the community.
Yeah.
That is it, Millie. I wish you the best, ma'am. And simnaenda shule sana.
Yes.
Enda shuleni pale. Make sure you cover these books. Neatness. So you see, you are very clean. Cover the books well. Write your name. Study. The only thing is studying. Mama kwenda shule. Guys, I'm telling her that the mom never went to school properly. So can you study for your mom? Study for your father. Study for the village. So, and in the next 10 years, we want you to transform our village. Say like, I was touched by this one, and I'm now actually like transforming this village again.
Yes.
That is what we are looking for, and that is it.
And also I'll visit you in school personally. I'll come to your school. Nitakuletea pia vitu vingine.
I know, like you need
visit.
a geometrical set. Number 1.
Yeah.
You need some rulers. You need other things that you need in school.
School kama hivi inafaa kule shuleni lakini hakuli kwa sababu ya kukosa kulipa huko.
This is another thing that the mother is saying that she cannot afford lunch fee. Like the
Lunch fee is how much?
3,500.
3,000
per term.
per term.
That 500, that is about some 25 US dollars.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, 25
per
years.
term. So you are forced from school, you come home, you eat, and you go back to school. It's a long distance, about 1 kilometer.
Yes.
From her home to school, and during lunchtime she comes home, she eats because she cannot afford that lunch fee. That is another challenge. Another challenge, ma'am?
No other challenge.
No other challenge. Like when you walk to school freely, Maja was talking about your shoes.
Yeah, the shoes.
What type of shoes do you like?
Butter.
put on?
Butter.
Butter.
They are called
Visual.
yeah.
Visual.
They are visual shoes.
Yes.
Then for the ladies, we have the visual.
No, the normal ones I think they are good because I saw the last ones that she had. They're just normal. Yeah.
The normal ones.
Yeah, the
visual
normal ones. Yeah.
But zile hazikuwa zangu, ni mama mwingine alinisaidia.
Yeah. Speak in English. Don't be shy. Speak in English. They were not.
I don't have.
Look at the camera here.
I don't have shoes, but in my
Your neighbor.
neighbor
Mhm.
give me a shoes too.
Your friend's mother
Yes.
gave you shoes for her daughter.
Yes.
Yeah, to use. Yeah.
So meaning
Exactly.
completely like she pulled up and she gave you some shoes to put on, though the shoes are second hand. Guys, you can hear from her. This is one of a young soul that
Yeah.
for
exactly,
me actually I don't have daughters in my house, and I may not wish that my daughter goes through this, and she, a friend of her mother, a neighbor, gave her shoes belonging to her daughter. So actually, and those shoes I know they go to 2,000 Kenyan shillings.
Yeah.
2,000. That is about 19 US dollars, 18 US dollars, so that she can
Have
proper.
school
You have
shoes.
stockings? You don't have stockings?
So anyway, we will try and maybe figure out on how to do.
Yes, I'm gonna be making something up, but I want to promise her because I also have a son in the house who the shoes are not well done,
Yeah.
and he told me about his shoes are not well. My son studies at St. Anne's, so like I'll be connecting. The time I'm well off, I'm gonna be bringing you proper shoes for school. Maybe next term as you open. Maybe if somebody will be pulling up your shoes, no problem. But for me, I'm gonna be adding you another pair.
Next time.
Yeah, next time.
Yeah,
Plus
thank you so
stockings
much, Commander.
fully and everything. Yeah. But the only thing I need you, my young girl, focus.
And be a nurse.
Be a nurse. Just focus. We need nurses. We are tired of teachers. We have so many teachers around. Eh? Yes, be a nurse, and that is it.
Yeah. So thank you so much. So maybe the last words from you, what you can say to my audience, or rather the person who has helped you. Yeah.
Mine is just to tell them, thank you for giving me these books for going to school. But mine is just say, I wish them all the best in her life, and God bless them.
Yeah.
Or her.
That is it.
Yeah.
Jesus said, let my gifts come to me. And that is true. Those are blessings. Yeah.
So guys, thank you so much. And I really want to believe that we are going to touch souls in this village, and we are going to change our village to be a better place. And yeah, let's move that.
What about your husband? I'm asking about the husband. Oh, the husband is disabled, and you can see, guys, like Maja was telling us, there is something here. Yeah, there is something up there, like yeah, there is something there for the PWDs, that is people living with disabilities. And
Yeah, so guys, we're here, and I expected more to give you more, guys, from this video today, but unfortunately we didn't make it to give you more and more. But tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, you know, we live to pray for tomorrow. You never know tomorrow what comes with. So guys, expect more from me, but the main point that I have here, and I think I should not repeat it so much, but the main point is, like, we should respect people who are trying to make ends meet, and especially the YouTubers, the ladies. We should respect them. yeah, we give them respect, and also help them, encourage them, and also, you know, from me, I always want positivity and helping. Yeah, so I really believe in positivity. You know, if there's something that people get into their minds, like, I want to do this because I want money. And let me tell you guys, money is never everything. Yes, money can buy what you want in your maybe materialistic things, but money will never buy you life. Yes, money will buy you good life. Money will buy you, maybe money will build you a house, a good house, but it will never like buy you a life that you want, inner build life. For me, I really believe, even if I have, yes, I have it, but even also if I don't have, I don't have it. And you don't have to force things on someone, you know, so that you can this thing that there are people who want to pay someone to do something, so that really be yourself, and be genuine, and be ready to help anyone that needs help. And also another thing, guys, especially the ladies, don't be threatened. And I advocate for that. I will be there for all the ladies that are like threatened. I will be there, guys. And you saw this video of yesterday I did. The lady wanted some books. We have delivered, and God is good. We have delivered. We have promised a lot of things, and of which, if I'm able to, in maybe a few days, I believe in a few days I will maybe deliver, or people who are watching me, or someone else here in the village, or even my parent can say, well, we can buy some shoe. And also the promises from there, they were so big. And I want to say thank you so much. And this is not the end. We are going to protect everyone who is like wow, guys, it's getting dark here in the village. Yeah, so it's getting dark, so we are going to protect everyone who is threatened. We are going to protect that person, especially Dorina. We are here, and nothing will happen to you. And if they want to come for you, then let them pass through me, and that is Maj_KE. If you want to go for Dorina, pass through me. Yeah, so guys, I want to wrap up this video. You see also the street lights are lighting up just right now. Yeah, it's getting dark, so I expected to meet Dorina today, but unfortunately she didn't make it. But anyway, maybe tomorrow we'll be talking the story and get to know who is troubling her. And yeah, we are here, guys. We are here to help each other. We are human, and also we all make mistakes, because we are human. We all make mistakes, and we are here to be corrected. Yeah, so but for threatening, we are not there to be corrected, because you can't threaten anyone because you want to threaten someone. Yeah, so guys, we're here. This is Maj_KE. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. Thank you so much for supporting me. Peace and love, positive vibes, and I'm